mag-vlog tayo about time blocking for ADHD cases, no? O ADHD or time blocking for ADHD individuals. So, sinasabi nila yung ADHD raw is a good strategy sa mga taong may ADHD. So, as a PWD officer, this should be one of the things I should research on that I should have known. No, kasi baka meron kaming member na may ADHD. So, time blocking pala. Ibig sabihin, lahat nung gagawin niya per day naka-schedule. So, tama naman yun para matuto silang mag-devote ng kanilang oras. Hindi palipat-lipat yung kanilang atensyon. So, yan yung magandang nalalaman natin ngayong araw na to. So, as a PWD officer, I should have known these things. Mabuti na lang na-google natin at nalaman natin. So, yun lang po.